I am Joey from Blits.ai and welcome to the first Blits.ai tutorial. In this short video, I'll explain the absolute basics of the Blits.ai platform and how to start a chatbot yourself. First, we'll need to log in onto the platform. Use the Blits.ai credentials that you have received from your administrator or sign up through the link that was sent to your email address. Right now, I'll log into the platform using my own credentials. The first page you'll see is the dashboard. Here, all aggregated statistics from all of your chatbots will be visible, such as the time spent by users on the platform, the level of satisfaction of your chatbots, and the number of interactions with your chatbots. If we click on the Bots tab at the top of the page, we'll see that there's already one bot available. Any other person or user that has access to this tenant will also be able to make modifications to this chatbot, given that these accounts have the correct user rights. Blitz.ai distinguishes between 5 types of users, each with their own user rights. You can find out more about these users and their user rights in our user manual or wiki. If you want to know more about your own user rights, simply click on your account name in the top right corner. Here you can find roles, your setup, and you can log out too. If you click on roles, you will find your full account name and the role of your account on the tenant. To create a bot, we'll go back to the Bots tab. Chatbots can be created by creating a new bot or importing a bot from another tenant. In a later tutorial, I will deep dive into the importing and exporting functionalities of the Blitz.ai chatbot platform. For now, we'll create a bot ourselves by clicking the green Create a Bot button. As you can see, the first thing that we need to fill in is the name for the chatbot. We recommend you to pick a name that corresponds to the functionality of your chatbot. For instance, if you would like to build an internal HR department chatbot, name it the HR bot. In this instance, we'll be creating an airline chatbot, so we'll call it Airline Bot. Now we can pick our natural language processing engine, or NLP engine in short. Blitz.ai is unique in the sense that you're not linked into one of these NLP engines. If you pick Microsoft Lewis now, you'll be able to swap to any other NLP engine at a later point in time. However, depending on the NLP engine that you pick, your language might not be supported, or your chatbot's performance might increase or decrease. For now, we'll create the airline bot with Microsoft Lewis in English. As you can see, we now have a blank dashboard. We have created our first bot ourselves. In the next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into training the NLP engine. See you then!